Hi guys, welcome to Paul's Cooking Adventures. Today we're going to be cooking
honey lemon chicken.
This is a crispy fried chicken with a lovely honey sauce. This is absolutely beautiful, this one. I'm going to love this. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. We'll need a lemon or a lime, some eggs, soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, sesame seeds, tomato sauce, corn flour, our chicken, and some plain flour. For our chicken, we're just going to take the wing off and then just going to segment these in half. The easiest way to do this is just go straight down on the angle. You can even pull it apart and see where the bone is, and it just cuts straight in half. Just going to marinate these up. We'll go in with a little bit of soy sauce, a couple of eggs, a lime. We'll just cut this in half and squeeze the juice in. And some corn flour. A little bit of sesame oil. And we'll give this a good mix. Now we can put this in the fridge for a couple of hours. It's best to do overnight, but a couple of hours will be fine. Okay, for our sauce in the saucepan, we can grab our lime or our lemon, zest this all into the saucepan. This really adds to the zestiness of the flavour. We can cut it in half and squeeze the juice in. I know these limes don't have any seeds in them, but if they do, just make sure you take all the seeds out. And then we're going to go in with equal quantities of water, our tomato ketchup, and our honey. We can go in with a little shake of sesame oil, and we can put this on the stove to reduce. We can now take off our plastic wrap straight out of the fridge. You can see there's a little bit of water in there. What we can do is just tip this off. Now there's no water in there. We can go in with our tempura flour. We can go in with our corn flour. We get our hands dirty again and we give this a good mix. I need to add just a little bit more. And there we are, our chicken's ready to go. Okay, we're going to now cook off our chicken. Straight in, you can see the lovely fizz from it. The oil is sitting on 170 degrees Celsius. We can cook this off in batches. You don't want to put too much in at the same time, otherwise it'll cool down your oil too much. We'll go with 5 or 6 pieces at a time. Look at that. That is just so crispy and so yummy. This is going to be so good. I love this. Just good like that with just some salt on it. We can go ahead and cook the rest up just like that. We can now second fry off our chicken. We've turned the temperature up to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're just going to finish the chicken off. Give a good drain, and then into our wok. And to finish it off, our lovely sauce, we can just pour all over the top. And there we have it, guys, our honey soy chicken. This is an absolutely beautiful dish. Don't forget, a few little sesame seeds over the top, and we'll just finish it off. You're gonna love this one. Thank you all for subscribing. Make sure, write a comment down the bottom. I love chatting to everyone who is following me. Until next time, see you soon.